And welcome back to the channel, everybody. As you see, we have this cool drag car. It's on rusty wheels. And this one is from 2000. It's the shoebox. And we are going to be using this Corvette as a donor car, because it has the bigger wheels in the back, just like this one does. I'm hoping it's going to work and they're going to clear right. These appear to be a little bit old, but they should work just fine. So let's get to some drilling. And welcome back to the channel, everybody. We have this awesome looking drag car, the shoebox, and we are swapping the wheels. Check out how rusty those are. Man. And we're using this thrift store find Corvette as a donor. And those look pretty good. So those wheels appear to be the same size. Let's go ahead, get this stuff pulled off, put those on there. Alright, so we got a bunch of the rust out of there that we could. Probably try to get a little bit more out of there. But as always, this isn't really a car meant to go super duper fast. We just want it to roll again. So we have the donor tires. Let's get them on there. Alright, so I think it's looking pretty good. I just gotta finish it up by adding this back on there. Of course, let me fit it up right, and we'll show it to you. Alright, and there you have it. Northeast Ohio, die-cast and treasure strikes again. We have another car back to rollability. If you take a look at those old tires, you can really see how rusted out that was. Look at the rust on my finger. Rusty. Back to rollability. Of course, not perfect. We're not looking for a championship car here. We just want a bit of a restoration. Looks like it's alright. That front tire's kind of stopping there. But it's rolling. Donor tires, and it looks pretty good. So, thank you for watching as always. Another restoration down. This was the shoebox. So, stay safe out there. Thank you for watching. Keep on collecting. See you in the next one. Alright, let's check out Walmart. Nothing again. There's a Devo. It's been here for a little bit. There's another one back there. Yeah, this hasn't even been touched, man. These premiums are shelf warmers right now. They've been there same way for a while. All the premiums are gone. There was a Skyline here that I almost bought the other day, and the little too short gasser car. I didn't really see what I mean by peg warmers. Look at that. There's like 5 of the same ones. Ridiculous. Nothing. So, I think we're gonna get up out of here. They got 2 or 3 of the historic cars. Which series even is that? 3. This is from 2019. I would have got the Skyline, but I'm not gonna justify $5 just to open a car. I've done that before with certain sets I really liked, but alright, let's get out of here. Check it out, just leaving. Look at that nice car right there. It's a beautiful, looks like a 65. Nice looking car. Alright, let's get out of here. I'm going home. Thanks for watching, you guys. Stay safe. Keep on collecting. Alright, everybody, we're at the Big Lots. Looking through these little shipper container things here. Trying to see if there's anything good. This is where I found those 3 treasure hunts. I left the one and took 2 of them. It doesn't appear to be much. This is the 3rd and final one of these. Let's check out these 5 packs. 9 packs. Any good exclusives? They all look the same. Every one of them is the same. Okay. Well, there's another one right here that's already been looked through. Oh, there's a little talking doll back there that pointed me towards some more Hot Wheels. That's interesting. Hey, Mark over at Dots and Man Diecast would like that. Zoom in. I'm in your face. Hey, don't jump at me. Metal machine. I don't even have a GoPro, but I kind of want to get this. Never know in the future, right? Set that there. White Audi, I've already got that. These are all muscle machines, okay. Jeez, look at this. More Hot Wheels over here. Wish me luck, you guys. I found a penny heads up today. Not even joking. Yeah, these are old. Man. That's literally our king of the hill right there. Where'd he go? Right there. It's a fast car. Borla Sandblaster. Jeez. Audi. Okay, well, let's pick up our zoom in. We'll check this here in a second. Looks like something right there that I want. That's kind of cool. Okay, so I checked all those. Let's check these. These appear to be... That thing is creepy, man. Alright. Hey, be a super. This would be cool, wouldn't it? Nope. Close but no cigar. It's a weird looking casting right there. Miata. Y'all excited for that new Miata? This one's gonna be in red and white. Like the one with the wing. It's almost identical to that one. Okay, well, nothing in this one. Okay, let's check this last one. Ooh boy, they want $2 for that one. I'm good. Don't need Disney car. These are all old, but I'm hoping that I'll find something cool in here. That's a little bit newer. Sure, I got like 3 of those by now. Okay. 2021 New Year's vehicle. Is this a treasure hunt? I don't think so. I don't know why I think that's a T hunt every time I see it. Every time I find one of these, I have to look too. Just like the RX-7. Never a super. There's another Dodge van. Bought one of those the other day. Alright, well, we got a Matchbox and a Hot Wheel. And a Possessed Baby. Damn Possessed Babies. Alright, let's look through this really quick. Set those there. Okay, well, I'm not seeing much. Let's just do this. Maybe we'll find a cool casting in there. Anything cool? I need another yellow Cuda. That's what I would really like to find right now. Nothing. No Cuda. What is that in the back? Muscle machines? Yep. Well, we found 2 cars. Let me see if I can find any more Hot Wheels anywhere. Let's check these monster trucks. Should I find that Barbie one? It's not there. Man. Monster Truck T-Hunt. That sounds really cool, right? Even though it's a pink Barbie Corvette. Alright, a bunch more toys. We found 2 cars. I'm gonna look around somewhere else, but I think this is all they have. So, I'm gonna go ahead and get a zoom in and a Matchbox Garbage Scout. Thanks for watching, everybody. See you in the next one. Stay safe.